abantu bamintu batebe ngaki and by the way ukarimu wansia nyumbani tingoja kubuli ubugano bonya mira onye kwanza gituma saba mbarante ngaki tuwanje rokore ubuli and by the way ngadvice y'abantu bamintu gendekemo you know amangano burai abantu nabagoteba umoringa for example abantu kuri umurima ibagoteba ngaintwe umuntu utukwanira umuntu uri behind no igo ngabandi bomusi nabacha already no umuntu itu no or bogere the same or bukamba the same igo mujo gotenga ntubwate competitors among us aba murabami ntumaro baswati mbaro. I think at the end of the day abantu ababawa kachikura nabubagoteba buna intwe twamwire kuruka umuntu tayetukote na behind yakurukuswanya kwanza karona abuli anenjimba buli tayike tingo abuli no ninjengiche koswande makolimi koswande binyuro kitu masaba kwanza bagonteba nga etu anchire nayo nani ninkwana bari bakubuli onye nto kuiwana tatebe nga dini mwananchi nini mogoteba bagoteba nga nayo inkinta ntaraire nyamira te gonsinya ego era abantu mamaite my record even by the way nyamira as account as a whole they know my competences, they know what I can do, right? Ntumaite ubumanyi na ninturi fair igente keningilinga nuchiko take care y'abantu bonse tari bonekero oro kwaba umuntu bwate ubunyumba ya kwaba umuntu utari kurika abantu fairly kwaba umuntu utari ni charge ya mnabone ngintegia to embarrass guchikutindika abantu kiricho. I mean really what's a big deal you could even 2 acres it might have been better ngantu atumia 15 million was it 20 million koro bolimo tawase cemetery ye county so even to be will deal with them effectively and I'm sure we go manya to get connection is important. My take Roma davanto you will talk with them back evento and especially elected leaders mnabona onye tin elected na wongo na boli bintu biane naiwa but you see ekero elected ukubuli bintu bia abantu once ego those connections are very important so that we can assist our people. I'm really keen korora nkora igube sana you know we have also friends and we can never say we don't come from Nyamira. So I feel very bad we can't demonstrate proper leadership kuru Nyamira, and yet we are learned people. Nyamira has some of the best brains in legal mind, accountants, medical people. What do you think they feel? They feel very bad. Executives, they come from here. But let me say this. No mine abantu banjira no teve says the numbers bankwanire nenda bakwana why because tanga ni mama ite track record ya kabere mama ite my competence ikiagata tu o mine Nyamira ya toiro busuksana I think the way you are very managed in the last this year since Ugatusi yachite ntura gains when a county chini chakole. I mean, for example, Nyamira is the only county itabuati a working stadium. Maybe they're struggling, but as we have no reason. Omabeya Jaka the other day it's done very well. So Ntevega. Iya bantu bajire ekina na tebanga ngokoranda uchunguzi egento na akora the other day nike guchaka kulikia abantu chikura. That's what I studied. One kerona na partner na bana ba boda I saw them accounting baganje point you na ndo bunabuma ekero for example ekero aso ubwadeliwa wosese ubwatekera kubwatenda ikukuruma uwete bube onyore kindi kiyonse kikujugo konya iwotenga gakinkonye so yaro kanenga utagocho buli gente kikibugabana tindi afraid ukubulia but for now gonaro jinga tikatura register chikura na iwuri kibagoteba na achakira okora uchunguzi I think bwangoiga na bongo jakwana usinga inginta etokora igo asebono nabatebia uzadokora ebintu bitangani tingo bwete gutangasa lakini ndetu kucha busa without a plan, right? Igonte gete inkore uchunguzi Kitutu Masaba, inkore uchunguzi Burabu sub county, inkore uchunguzi North Mugirango sub county, West Mugirango, Nyamira South, inkore uchunguzi. I hear what people are saying. Abantu mbamanyete my track record. I'm a trusted person. Nakonyira abantu abange. Nande I'm sure challenges in Nyamira will address them. For example, our community health workers. Yeah, even at the national government. I'm telling you, for example, in Nyamira, we have only 1,400 community health workers. I mean, even if you paid them 20,000 each of them, factor that in your budget. How much money is that? Right? But no matter how many people back over assisted, whether they have 10,000, no matter how family what maybe our leaders don't understand, even if put a border. Abana to family. Baso Miriavana, College University. Our community elders, these are Avan to Vanaka. It has caused about it is so critical to assist in primary health. So some of these things need to be addressed. Now they check over address, but want to what experience. Dainan status. I want one day, and I'm not blaming anybody. My one by too, because by waiting and what you saying, but you know you can have so much money, but you know to buy these skills, to buy too money. To understand this shit the Javan. You might a gonna get to the volume before you. Again to get a capsing a pa. No, but Takawik. Ganyana wana waitire boy school. But school. But where the maximum. And I remember umwanu mutangani na everything isa kwete abangu swali kwerubulimo enyumba yari gutwa inka batebinga umwanu ni mokonyi bakumbulinga obeture chikura na mokonyi. I told them yes abongo jango mokonyi konyo rangi ujumuigas Eldoret. And by the way tingile tukura that first time I went back that lady in Kamupik. I remember I paid 83,000 shillings as school fees. More girls. Today that lady, she's a financial controller. I got her from Technical University, right? I support her all through. You know, if I got matanga, they couldn't believe it. So, Opera Yugo and I want to we'll talk about it into Kurubon Nyamira. Na tevetenga paka ingiche imbe part of exercise yeke kyogotevya abasai baitu bairiki buno mwake kura na numa itubutambe mbya umuntu kwa watumye bongeni wao numa lingo tenga tigeto kole ebinte bitangani tokole ebinte bitangani agora egente getanga now taigo itanga thank you tegete chikurante gete nini ego itanga chikurute gete nandu bati muntu yo gochawa you see mina bona gantu bwa ntumanyitinga usi tubwa the candidates to Matiangi the other day nero tuaraganga nero murayo itubwe community na nere presidential candidate ya kurwa usi now all this region, but that's presidential, that's national. Bon nga kitura mubeke kergo keria onye turabwate kura na kinanchi tenga tigantevi abantu baminto engencho yoko tware kura nani mwe weta IPC atebete nombali ba register kare paka mugende muchi checkinga yamalite inunaro. I hope abantu ba IPC they are not playing as tricks. I will follow it up from the legal point of view. Ekaroturu Nairobi yani kura kininga batebete kachayo cheki umanyenga no leader yao no leader nande polling station ki ubwatirite kura yao. Now ingiranire ase ingenje yo kubwate kura umaite na atebiri abantu na atebiri abantu abange. In fact na letete community health workers, because I know mbabwate networks to the mashinani grassroots chinyomba batenerete igona batetinga paka mugende motevi abayibuli anya abantu bareka mbarabwate chikura babwate chikura inki asingincho nga nonye umusikima tiangi wucha kobe president yetu nani ntoka ni nabe mwaite bali bandu bacho kumubwatisia paka bamubulinga ki kuruka nga ki mwage tichingana yenge nga yani watumira abana babiri kureta amache oyo marete nyungi ichwire oyo ndarete ekwota bona bukulinga nkia utaretera amache ikinyungu chonsi chichire nabo kubuli mwana wibo. That's exactly what's going to happen asa mangana echikura nga paka tubulinga ki kuruse inulende chikura iringa mwarete nande egende tota banga nubwato umoro usomuyu buko na chekeke mbatebe abantu bamindupi umuyuyu egende wita kugera ekeki enene nacho nasinginjo nga obungi bwetu bwechikura nkibu bongane mbaho ja butubuli to akechikura buna maybe umurima tuguze abantu ma umurima nabangi lakini ogwaka a good percentage ni very important igo na keke na partner na bana ba boda boda baknaro si reflect mbatebi nga tumia nganje swanya nero murayo yomo otebiri nga tubwati chikura asingenje chikura eki nchiche gotokonya mutwe nandege ntukende manya even the national government ekera okora consensus kubagana national cake ngumanya abantu abanene kurwe constituency gete gose county nga kibangana yo wetera ubungu bwechikura ne ruribaga kubarwanirira ase bintu kurwa as a national government even including chibes chigocha se county yetu why didn't you go to Kisi county 9 billion to about 5 billion it's because ubungu bwao itaye size yunga na otra baba ke yani size yetere ko benke lakini tura bangi babantu resources echiko divided according na kitungana nande ekuchikure echo kwate kura nere koroki yende kabiri